You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Today we're visiting Taormina, Sicily, a jewel perched high above the azure Ionian Sea. This ancient town, steeped in history and natural beauty, offers an unforgettable escape. Experience the magnificent Ancient Theatre of Taormina. This breathtaking amphitheater, originally Greek and later repurposed by the Romans, stands as a testament to ancient engineering and artistic vision. Even today, the theater hosts concerts and performances, allowing you to walk in the footsteps of history while enjoying modern artistry. Every cobblestone street whispers tales of civilizations past, from Greek founders to Roman rulers. Each left their indelible mark, contributing to the rich tapestry of Taormina's culture. Taormina isn't just a destination, it's a journey through time, a feast for the senses, and a memory waiting to be made. Discover Taormina, where history meets breathtaking beauty.